The manufacturing of products is the basis of the economy. It is trillions of dollars of ideas implemented into products. Acceleration equals a financial strength, divided into an infrastructure complexity. A massive supply chain is clumsy and difficult to replace. Additionally, there is a lack of qualified labor force that triple the price. The process from the idea to the final product on store shelves takes months and years. Treatstock provides fast-track solution. Our instant manufacturing platform has a proprietary algorithm and AI for calculating the cost in advance before the actual order is placed. Our goal is to predict and suggest potential partners. We bring together manufacturing processes like design, CNC machining, molding, with a distribution network. Treatstock is a platform with new financial solutions for customers and manufacturers to start manufacturing immediately and make all processes faster and more effective. Treatstock has an exponential business model with a 5 to 25% fee for instant service. We have Watermark 3D, a unique solution for the identification and protection of 3D models as an intellectual property. Our platform has business opportunities for manufacturing companies, as advertising and business networking community. Treatstock is a one-stop system for manufacturing. We created a calculating of manufacturing price based on ready 3D models. We have a design service to create new products. We have a full production cycle with quality control, insurance, and to-the-door delivery. Treatstock resolves all potential issues with delivery and order fulfillment. We have an average rating of 4.9 out of 5 stars and thousands of completed deals between companies satisfied with the result. Treatstock powers online manufacturing.